Semiconductor manufacturing depends on large volumes of water, millions of gallons per day, per facility, treated to ultra-pure standards. As production demands grow, manufacturers face increasing pressure to maintain exceptional water quality while improving treatment efficiency, controlling costs, and reducing environmental impact. AMS brings advanced water treatment and real-time analytical capabilities to semiconductor manufacturing, helping facilities address two critical challenges: removing difficult contaminants from water and gaining continuous insight into treatment performance. Urea presents a particularly difficult challenge in ultrapure and reclaimed water systems. Its small size, neutral charge, and high solubility make it difficult for conventional processes such as reverse osmosis, ion exchange, and UV to effectively remove. AMS Safeguard H2O is an on-site reagent generation system that produces ferrate on demand, providing a different approach to treating this challenging contaminant. Managing water quality effectively also depends on knowing what's happening within the treatment process as it happens. MetalGuard is an advanced online trace metal analyzer that continuously monitors critical contaminants such as arsenic and copper, giving semiconductor manufacturers timely insight into treatment performance. Rather than waiting for results from manually collected laboratory samples, operators can use real-time data to identify changes, optimize treatment processes, and make more informed operational decisions. The continuous insight provided by the online MetalGuard analyzer translates into measurable operational benefits, helping facilities reduce unnecessary system regeneration, lowering operating costs, and optimize water reuse. In one application, real-time monitoring supported the transition to a closed-loop system that reduced water by up to 90% while maintaining compliance. From advanced treatment to continuous water quality analysis, AMS helps semiconductor manufacturers make better use of water, data, and treatment resources. Visit ams-h2o.com to learn more.